0 means millimeters. 1 means inch. 0 means Chinese. 1 means English. Single. The value of the x-axis of the package. Y-axis value. Retract distance of x-axis. Dwell time. Bending steps. Number of preset workpiece. Number of current workpiece. In case of single step, delay time for x-axis concession. The time between concession signal valid and end hold time output. 4 seconds. In the first step, xp, i.e., x-axis, is 100, yp, i.e., y-axis, is 103, dx is 0, and rp means repeat time is 1 times. In the second step, xp, i.e., x-axis, is 200, yp, i.e., y-axis, is 104, dx is 0, and rp means repeat time is 1 times. Press start button and prepare to start.